Hi everybody, I'm here with Perez, which is the creative director of New York Makeup Academy. What about the collaboration between these two academies, MBA and New York Makeup Academy?
Well, the collaborations have been amazing. We've been working with the MBA Academy now for, this is our second time working with them. We're here backstage at Milan Fashion Week. We brought all of our students over from New York. So they're having an amazing time working with MBA students, working backstage. We've done many shows this season. It's been absolutely amazing. Last season we had the MBA students in New York, and it was absolutely fantastic. It was a great collaboration because our students and the MBA students came, and it was nice for Italy and New York to mix as one. So they could see how we do things in New York, and it's nice to come over here and see how, what the Italian way is.
What about the Italian Fashion Week in Milan?
Oh yes, it's been great. Oh, we've had such a good time here. The students absolutely love it.
It's good.
Yeah, it's good.
And what about the future? Do you have any project with MBA?
Yes, so we've got some really exciting projects coming up. Okay, so the first stop is going to be in Miami. We're excited because we're going to partner with MBA at Miami Swim Week. And we've got lots of cool stuff planned. So we're going to have like a Masterclass in Miami, doing kind of makeup and hair. And also we're going to have fashion students working backstage at the shows as well. And then we're going to be doing a photo shoot near the Versace mansion, so we can get some really cool pictures and work as a collaboration on that. And then we're going to go backstage to the shows and work at Miami Swim Week.
Oh wow, so, that's great.
Yes, it's going to be a really exciting collaboration. So that's one of the projects that we're doing. The second one is the students are going to come over from MBA to New York Makeup Academy with us and work backstage at New York Fashion Week again in September because it was such a great success. And then also after that, the third project we're going to do is we're all going to work backstage at Paris Fashion Week.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so that's really exciting. So it's going to be kind of like makeup artists, hair artists, fashion students, and we're going to work backstage on all the shows and do a collaboration with MBA. So we're very, very, very excited about that.
That's great.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much, Claire, for your time.
Yes, thank you so much. Thanks.